Okay, this is the dough that we made earlier. No yeast, but you can see it absorbs some water, even with the plastic and stuff on it. So let's get this out of the way. Okay. All right. A little flour. We're going to take out some dough. There we go. Problem is, even if you try to shrink wrap it up, it's still going to absorb some moisture, which is the painful part. So to fix that, you're just going to have to put a little more flour on it. Let's see, let's start with a small. And I need to get me you use tomato paste, not ketchup, pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce, whatever you like to make, whatever you like to use. We're going to use a little pepperoni. Wash my hands. This one is going to be pepperoni. We're going to put a couple of slices of pepperoni inside of here. Look at that. I'm going to top that off. There's some little cheese. This is when the magic happens. We'll close it up. Ooh. I gotta put a little bit too much in it. Oh, vacuum blew out. Let's do another one because I think I put a little bit too much in it. Now, if you don't have to use these tools, I just like them because it makes it more convenient. You can literally just make a ball, stuff it in, and twist it off. And what I forgot, or keep forgetting, is that this is going to be literally half of the size of it, so you don't want to overstuff it too much. Now this one should not pop open, and it doesn't. So we just tear the extra off, like so. Voila. Beautiful. Now, so we made 2 pieces of them. We're gonna let those 2 cook and to see how well they come out. And then I'll be right back. I thought about something. While that's cooking, I'm gonna make another one, put it in with the other 2 that's cooking. But this one is gonna be the interesting one. We'll stuff this one with a little bit of the mean green. I'll take this one out. And we'll throw this one in there. Okay, so what we have here is something interesting. This is a pizza stuffed pasta, pastry. This is with butter. This is it's pizza also, but this has garlic on it, and this is mean green. So let's go with the one with just the butter. Allow it to cool. Woo. That's not bad. It tastes like a mini pizza. Now, some of you may want the crust a little darker. I prefer mine on a little bit lighter side. But this is absolutely delicious. It's like, almost like eating a Hot Pocket. Wow. And the only thing was this was the easy dough bread that I used earlier. And that's it. I learned a lesson from doing that. It doesn't, even when you wrap it up with plastic foil, moisture still gets in it, so it swells, so you have to add more flour to it and we kill it again. But it's not as bad as the first time around. But that's really good. Wow. This one, same thing, but I put garlic sauce on it instead of butter. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the main green one, and this has butter on it. As soon as I bit into it, I'm like, nah, this is not pepperoni. Ooh. Look at that. Mmm. That's when you think there's nothing else you could do with the mean green. Now you can put it into a pastry. Mm. Woo. Look at the steam off that. And this is the one with butter on it And you can see the pepperonis and stuff inside. This one is the other pepperoni, but it has garlic sauce on it instead of butter. That's good. Look at the inside of that. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Now, like I said, this was cooked for 7 minutes in the air fryer. You can cook it longer to make it darker. But this is, whoo! Look at all that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! That's hot. Put some green peppers and some onions. You got yourself a mini pizza right here. This is a champ. And this is made with the easy dough I made from this morning. Wow. It's not vegan, but it's definitely delicious. Ooh, that's so hot. That's how you make stuffed pastries. And this round we tried, again, pepperoni with butter and garlic sauce, and the main green with butter. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. All right, we're done with this round. I got a few other things I want to try to stuff. We'll see how well that works out.